Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So yeah, today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Let me quickly wear them because then the video will be more interesting. So these are the latest Pro earbuds by Samsung. They launched these alongside the Z Flip 4, Z Fold 4 and also the Watch 5 series. Now I have already covered the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro in a separate video. If you want to watch that video, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. Now these are my first ever Samsung earbuds. I've heard great things about them and this is the first time I'm trying a pair of earbuds from Samsung. Now let's kickstart this review by talking about the design and build quality. Now design wise, these earbuds are excellent. You see that Samsung has gone with a different approach. They do not have a stem coming out of the ear and frankly I prefer this look. It looks absolutely stunning and a lot of people have asked me about these earbuds. They were like, these look something different and unique. Now I know that a lot of you guys might be wondering about the fit. How do these earbuds fit? Well, the fit is surprisingly good. At first I thought that they won't fit that good in my ear, but I was pleasantly surprised. The fit in fact is excellent and there are a couple of reasons for it. Number one is obviously the design. The ergonomics are good, that's why it fits really good in your ear. And number two is that these earbuds are very lightweight. They are not heavy. So once you wear them, you won't feel any weight and that is excellent. Now let me quickly give you a fit test demo. So even if I, do like this or like this, or like this, then the earbuds won't come off. In fact, I have used these earbuds while running, while working out and while riding a two-wheeler as well, and I did not notice any issues with the fit whatsoever. Now if we talk about the design of the case, I like that as well. It's a small square case. It is not bulky, it is not heavy. It's a lightweight and matte finish case. Also it comes in three colors, purple, black and white. Personally I love the black ones and you should consider them as well. Those black ones look classy AF. Now one good thing over here is that these earbuds are IPX7 rated as well, so if you want to use them in light rain or something like that, then you can definitely do so without being worried about any damage to these earbuds. Now next up, let's talk about the main thing, that is sound quality. How do these earbuds sound? Well, the sound quality is top notch. Samsung has been working with this brand called as AKG and these earbuds are tuned by AKG as well. The sound output that you get from these earbuds is very clear. In fact, audiophiles will love the sound output. There's a good balance between all the frequencies, low end frequencies, high end frequencies, mid frequencies. Everything is very well balanced. So when you listen to songs or watch movies, you will have an incredible time because the sound output is extremely clear. Also, if you're looking for that bass punch, you get that as well. There is a good amount of low end, which I do appreciate. And with that low end, it's not like the other frequencies are imbalanced, nothing like that. Everything is very well rounded, I would say. Now, Samsung is also introducing 24-bit sound with these earbuds. Now, if you don't know, normal earbuds are generally 16-bit, but these earbuds also have 24-bit sound output, which is like 256 times clear sound output, and that is excellent. Now, for this to work, you will also need 24-bit media. Like the songs you listen to also have to be mastered in 24-bit. So if you have that option available, then you can take advantage of this feature, and it's only available for Samsung devices for now. And I have personally tried it out. It works really well. The sound output on 24-bit is next level. All in all, I would say in terms of sound quality, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are one of the best, if not the best out there. But what about the microphone quality? Let me quickly give you a test. This is a very quick mic test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I'm shooting with a smartphone and these earbuds are connected to that smartphone. And what you're hearing are the microphones from the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Now you guys let me know what do you feel about the microphone quality in the comment section down below. Is it good? Is it bad? Whatever it is, please let me know about that in the comments down below. Next up, let's talk about active noise cancellation. So these are premium earbuds and they do come with active noise cancellation, and the active noise cancellation works really well. So if you're traveling in a train or a bus or a flight, then you can turn on ANC and it works really well. Basically, you will be isolated from the surrounding and you can enjoy your content. I've been loving the ANC on Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. It's not too much and not too less, just in the sweet spot. Also, you get a transparency mode which is called as ambient sound. So if you turn that on, you will be able to hear everything in your surrounding. It will use the microphones placed on the outside of these earbuds to let sound in, and then you can hear everything. Now there is one AI based feature called as voice detect. Let's consider that active noise cancellation is on and you're listening to your music and someone comes up and talks to you. When you start talking to them, it will automatically switch to ambient sound mode and then you can enjoy the conversation. It will detect the movement of your jaw and will automatically switch to ambient sound, and it works really well. It's a seamless experience and it's not a gimmick. It is a good feature. You also get a bunch of touch controls with these earbuds. earbuds, and the touch sensitivity is very good. For example, a single tap on either of these earbuds will play or pause your music. A tap and hold will switch between various modes like ANC and ambient sound, and you have a bunch of other controls. Obviously, you can customize those touch controls as well. You get a dedicated app for these earbuds. Talking about the app, inside the app you can control literally everything about these earbuds. You get an equalizer, you can change touch controls, you can also have a earbud fit test and a bunch of other things. And yes, this application will work on all Android devices out there, so no matter which Android device you have, you can buy these earbuds and enjoy the full experience. This gets me to battery life and charging. Samsung claims that you will get a battery life of up to 5 hours with these earbuds and a total of 18 hours with the case. Now in my testing period, I got somewhere around 3.5 to 4 hours, and with the case I got somewhere around 15 hours of battery life, which is good battery life. It is not excellent battery life and it is not bad either. It's good battery life. If we talk about charging, you get a USB Type-C port and support for fast charging, and on top of that you get wireless charging as well. And if you own a high-end Samsung phone with reverse wireless charging, then you can charge these earbuds just by placing them on the back of your phone. Also, these earbuds fit in seamlessly with the Samsung ecosystem. So if you own a Samsung smartphone, Samsung tablet, Samsung watch and a Samsung laptop, then they fit in very seamlessly in the ecosystem. It works like a charm. Now this gets me to one of the main questions. How much do these earbuds cost? The price of these earbuds is 17,999, and you can also get a discount of up to 3,000, bringing the price down to 14,999. You are obviously paying a premium over here, but these earbuds are worth it because they have excellent sound quality. The active noise cancellation is top notch. The fit is very good. They are lightweight and comfortable, and the entire experience is very seamless. So you are paying a premium for the premium experience. Now if you want to buy these earbuds, I will make sure to drop a link to them in the description box below. You can definitely go ahead and buy them. So anyway, that's been it. This was my review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.